3M Fasara Glass Finishes is a product that controls light transmission and enhances the look of glass, which helps in creating various space designs. This video summarizes the basic procedures for applying a Fasara glass shade in an easy-to-understand manner for beginners. 3M Fasara Glass Finishes Application Video. The tools shown in this section are the tools needed for a successful application of Fasara glass finishes. A window squeegee for cleaning the glass, and an application squeegee for applying the Fasara film. Spray bottles for your application fluid and water, along with a larger sprayer for larger applications. A retractable knife for cutting the film, a plastic straight edge for maintaining an even cut, and a scraper for cleaning the glass. And finally, plastic sheeting, paper towels, masking plastic, cotton towels, and a measuring tape. Site preparation. It is first necessary to waterproof the area. Use plastic sheeting to protect areas over which water may splatter during application. This includes floors, desks, lower walls, and whatever else may come in contact with the detergent and water solution. You can also spread sheets of newspaper over the plastic sheeting on the floor. This will absorb water and make cleanup quicker. Measuring the glass and cutting the film. Measure the glass using a tape measure. Next, cut the film about 2 inches longer and wider than the size measured. A simple way to cut the film is to insert a cutter on the box at the point where the film needs to be cut. Then cut the film by simply pulling it out of the box. Be sure to handle the film with care, as dents and creases in the film will not disappear after application. Application instructions. It is extremely important to properly clean the glass to which the film is to be applied. Make a detergent water solution containing 15 to 20 drops of detergent to 1 quart of water. Use a detergent such as Johnson's baby shampoo. Spray the solution over the entire surface of the glass and scrape the glass with a stainless steel blade. When using the scraper, be sure to hold it parallel to the caulking to prevent it from cutting the caulking. After cleaning the glass, in order to minimize dirt and debris, use a paper towel and carefully wipe around the entire window frame. Be sure to fold the paper towel every time you wipe the edge of the glass. This ensures that you are wiping with a clean cloth. Finally, spray the entire surface of the glass one more time with just water. Then use the window squeegee and cleaning from top down, remove the dirt. After each pass, clean the grime from the rubber squeegee using a paper towel. You must remove the dirt from the window squeegee, or it'll transfer to the glass. Film application. Spray the detergent and water solution over the entire glass surface. It is important to use enough solution to cover the glass, but not too much so that the solution runs off the application surface. When removing the liner from the film, spray the detergent and water solution on the film's adhesive as well. Once again, use adequate amount of solution as in the previous step. Spraying the film's adhesive while peeling the liner will prevent contamination from sticking to the film's adhesive, and will also stop the film from curling. We are now ready to apply the film to the glass. First, lay the film on the glass and allow the weight of the film to contact the glass on its own. Next, position the film on the glass, leaving a 1/8 inch gap between the film and the mullion. Spray the detergent and water solution onto the surface of the film, and with light pressure from the application squeegee, pre-bond the film to the glass. Use a paper towel to soak up the water from the bonded surface. Work from the center to the sides using light pressure. Trimming the film. Before trimming the edges, cut off the corners of the film at an angle to keep the film from creasing. Before finishing trimming the film, make sure that the cutter blade has a new edge. This will prevent scratching of the glass and assure accurate cutting of the film. Place a straight edge against the film on the window frame and position the cutting blade along the inside edge of the straight edge. Cut off the excess material by sliding both the cutter and the straight edge simultaneously. Please note that the film may move if the pre-bond is weak. Try to keep the straight edge in position until removing the trimmed part of the film. If you try to remove the trimmed portions when they are not completely cut through, the film that is adhered to the glass will lift, allowing for dirt and debris to enter behind the film. Then finish this part of the application by cutting the remaining edges of the film. Application finishing. Spray the detergent and water solution on the film surface. Make sure that the film edges have equal spacing from the frame on all four sides, and then add pressure to the film with the application squeegee for secondary adhesion. If you overlap the areas in which you applied pressure with the squeegee, you will cover the entire surface, eliminating any unevenness in the application. Finally, spray water over the entire surface of the film and clean it quickly with the window squeegee. This prevents the formation of white residue when the detergent dries. Wipe away the water around the window frame with a paper towel. Check for any flaws in the appearance of the film due to dirt and debris, creases, and/or scratches. Complete the application by removing the water protection sheeting and drying the areas around the frame with a towel. Film seaming. When seaming two pieces of film, position the joint areas vertically at the center of the glass. Allow about 1 1/4 inches on both films for the overlap. Also be sure that if the films have a pattern, that the patterns match. Do not remove the water from the seam area where the two films overlap. Place a metal ruler on the film and cut the film using the ruler as a guide. Slowly remove the excess film from the top layer. Next, slowly remove the excess film from the back side, being careful that the adhesive surface do not stick together. The key to success is to flip the film over as little as possible. Finally, spray the film surface with detergent and water, and then apply pressure on the seam in the vertical direction using the application squeegee. Finish the application as outlined in the previous sections. Bubbles after application. After the entire application is completed, sometimes small bubbles may be seen in the film. This is the residual water from the application process which remains trapped between the film and the glass. It will normally disappear within 1 week to 1 month as the glass dries. And that's it. By following these simple procedures, application can be easily performed. Try 3M Fasara glass finishes and see for yourself.